Ever wonder what you can do with everyday stuff lying around your house? A toothbrush, a soda can, some plastic bottles, turns out, they're way more useful than you think. We've got simple tricks that actually work, no fancy tools required. Just smart, satisfying tricks that actually work. Let's jump in! Heat up a toothbrush with a lighter and bend it so the bristles stick outward. Insert the brush into a dirty bottle and clean it from the inside. Take a dirty oil-covered wrench and pour Coca-Cola over it. Remove the wrench, the part that was in the drink became clean. Cut off the bottom part of an aluminum can and make a small bend with a spout. Cut a candle into pieces and melt it over fire inside the can. Take an egg and pour out the contents, leaving only the shell. Insert a wick into the egg and tie it to a stick so it doesn't fall. Pour the melted wax into the shell. Peel the shell like a regular egg and get 2 original oval candles. Remove the leaking trash bag from the bin. Insert a new bag and place several layers of newspaper at the very bottom. Now the bag won't leak and the trash will stay inside. Put zip ties on both bicycle wheels with a small distance between them. Go outside and ride on snow without slipping. Accidentally spilled a cup of water for the paintbrush. Cut off the end of a balloon and put it over the cup of water. Cut off the top part of the balloon and dip the brush calmly. Now the cup won't spill even if it falls. Put plastic wrap on a plate. Place food on the wrap and eat as usual. Remove the wrap after eating and the plate stays clean. Look at the lock. Inside there's a latch that holds the loop. Take an aluminum can and cut a sheet from it. Cut a small piece of a certain shape from the sheet. Insert it into the lock from the loop side and open it. Cut a long opening in a plastic bottle. Place the bottle under the bicycle chain and pour oil, spin the pedals, and the chain will be lubricated in an emergency. Put leftover vegetables, fruits, and eggshells in a blender, add crushed grains and mix. Add the mixture to a flower pot as fertilizer. Tie a bag with rope using the proper method to conveniently carry it by this rope. Secure socks on the line with paper clips and they won't blow away in the wind. Clean the grater after use with a regular toothbrush. Crack an egg into a slotted spoon, the white will drain down and the yolk will stay on top. Roll up the toothpaste tube from the end and clamp it with a binder clip to squeeze out the rest. Make markings on a compact disc and cut off the side parts. Glue the cut parts back to the disc on the side. You've got a convenient napkin holder. Make cuts in the cap from a plastic bottle. Glue this cap to another regular cap. Screw the construction onto the bottle and get a phone stand. Cut a round hole in the lid of a paper cup. Fold bags into each other in a certain way. Place the roll of bags in the cup and pull them out one by one through the hole. Don't close the trunk with boards directly, it will get damaged. Cut a pipe insulator in half. Place it under the trunk lid so it doesn't bang against the boards. Cut off two tops from plastic bottles together with the caps. Glue the caps to the trash bin. Clamp the edges of the bag and screw on the necks. Now the bag holds securely on the bin. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Attach it to the bottom part of the fishing rod using a hot heat gun sealing the construction. Unscrew the cap, fold the hooks inside and screw back for convenient storage. Cut off the handle from a canister. Secure the handle on a small wooden board with screws. Attach binder clips to the sides of the board. Secure sandpaper on the board and clamp with binder clips. You've got a convenient sanding tool. Make a hole in the top part of the bottle and glue it by the cap to a cup from another bottle. Pour water through a funnel, close the cap and flip it over. When water runs low in the cup, it automatically refills from the bottle. You've got a bird waterer. Cat scratching and tearing soft furniture with its claws. Wrap the table leg with twisted rope and glue it. Now cats will sharpen their claws on the rope instead of furniture. Make a mark with a marker on the key and drill a hole. Thread a key ring through the new hole. Now this key is easy to find and distinguish from others in the bunch. The wrench is too big and doesn't fit the small bolt. Place a coin between the wrench and the bolt, it will unscrew. Or use a regular washer, it also works for this. Take a new syringe and cut off the front part. Make a hole in the cap of a large plastic bottle for the syringe. Insert the syringe and seal with hot glue outside and inside. Cut off the bottom of the bottle not completely so it opens like a lid. Make holes for a hook and fasteners with zip ties. Mount the bottle upside down outside and pour water in. You've got a convenient outdoor washstand. Pour Coca-Cola with toothpaste into a spray bottle and mix well. Spray the mixture on a dirty sink and clean, an emergency remedy when there's no special cleaner at hand. Spray WD-40 inside the toilet and flush, an emergency cleaning remedy due to acetone content. Put a spray nozzle instead of a cap on a soy sauce bottle. Spray sauce on salads, it's more convenient to dose and apply more evenly.